Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Cash App password. So let's dive right in. If you haven't updated your app already, head to the App Store and update the Cash App to the latest version. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. When it opens, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Security and Privacy under the Account Settings section. At the top of the Security section, you'll see an option that says Change Cash PIN. Tap on that. You'll now need to enter your current cash PIN to confirm your identity. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your new cash PIN. Type in your new PIN, then confirm it by typing it in a second time. And that's how you change your Cash App password. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.